Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your default airport to the Pelipecky application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile button down below that can be found in the right side corner of the screen, and then tap on the settings button at the top next to the profile title, and then click on my default airports. Here you can either allow the application to have access to your location so that it will be defined automatically, but you can also tap on cancel and then type in the name of the airport that you would like to set as the default one. So tap on it and it has been added. As you can see, it appears at this section, so if you want to change it, just come back to this section and type in the default airport. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.